Hey everybody, how y'all doing? What's up? It's me, your homegirl Ladosha, right? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video you're going to love because it's dedicated to those who have Afro textured hair. And this time it's all about how to stop wasting money in hair salons. I cannot tell you how people with Afro hair are being ripped off with crazy requests for hairstyles. And so what I want to do is teach you how to embrace your texture and do it yourself. That's right. It's all about understanding your unique fabric. So this video is going to help those of you with Afro hair how to understand your unique fabric to create the look that you want without what? Wasting money. Why is that important? Because a lot of times people are so frustrated with their hair, they're like, forget it. And I just want to remind you, please guys, never, ever, ever give up on your hair. This is what I do for a living as a cosmetologist. I teach people how to take care of their hair. So on this platform, I always say, never fear. Hair help is here. People with Afro hair, they just get the shim-sham on money, on hairstyles, and I don't want that to happen. I don't want people wasting money nor time when it comes to their hair. Now, my platform is a no hair shaming zone, so please be kind online. We're all open for suggestions. We understand sometimes you're going to hit the thumbs down button, and that is okay. But please be kind when making comments about the videos online. Also, if you could take the time to like and share the content, that's really, really important. You know what? You never know who's having struggles with their hair. So do that, like and share. And then if you have anything you want me to discuss, just type it in the chat and I got you faded. I'll also dedicate the video to you. So let's get started into how not to waste time or money in the hair salon for those of us who have Afro hair. So these are images that I collected off of the internet, and this is a popular hairstyle that gets requested, and people want to see this look. Something, you know, at the top, braids, twist, and then they want to see the Afro embellished with texture or curls or coils. Here is another one. Now this one is a rod set or a flexi rod set. Now this is also an image of a wig, which I will also talk about in the video. And then we have another hairstyle where people want to play up their texture with a beautiful haircut. And then they also want to play up the texture with twists or coils, and this is wonderful. But this video is about not wasting money. And in order to do that, you must understand that no two heads of hair are alike, not even Afro hair. So the video that's about to play, excuse the loud music because I'm at work, I'm going to show you the process of teaching her how to embrace her beautiful texture and not waste money. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your homegirl Ladosha, right? I'm here with my wonderful, wonderful guest who has this beautiful Afro hair, and she thought she had to pay me her hard-earned money just to wear it natural. So we're gonna give her a wonderful cut and show her how for free she can have all the texture she wants without spending 1 red cent, except for the haircut, all right? Because y'all know I don't like that natural hair movement.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So we'll be back and we're going to show you just how beautiful her natural curly coils can be after a banging haircut. Bye. And don't we just love Sweet Brown? And she's right. Ain't nobody got time for that. Never, ever, ever give up on your hair. So the first thing I want you to understand when it comes to taking care of Afro hair is, number one, you want to understand your texture. And when you understand your texture, guess what? You get to save money and you get to save time. So how do you start doing that? First, with a clean head of hair. The technique that you're watching in this video is called toothing, which is the modality of effectively cleansing your scalp and your hair without tangling it. That is the number one complaint that people have when it comes to cleaning their hair, is that it takes too long and it tangles too much. So scroll down into the platform and you can understand and learn more about how to touse your hair. All right, so the clean hair and clean scalp is number one. Number two, understand your texture. No two heads of hair are alike. Her hair is absolutely beautiful. She loved it, but it was just too much. She was looking for something like this, or maybe like a two-strand twist out. Now, what you gotta understand is that sometimes when you're looking at these images, these are not always what they appear to the naked eye. So if you look at this, like, that's a pretty hairstyle. I could see why she would want that. Boom, it's a wig. You gotta understand that sometimes what you're looking at is a actual wig. Not that wigs are bad, but look at this. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? What can I do to this texture without having to put on a wig and give you, Ladosha, any more money? Now, look at images and use them for inspiration as opposed to, can you make my hair look like this? Because even if this were their natural hair, we probably would not be able to make her hair look like this simply because her fabric is unique to her head of hair. So what I began to do was to teach her about her very own unique Afro textured hair. I'm prepping her for a nice crop haircut and something that she can manage, something that she can be creative, something that's going to save her time and money. She doesn't mind paying for a hairstyle, but some things she could just do herself, and she wanted it to happen at home. So in a few moments, you're going to be able to see the results. Are you ready? 2, 1, voila. There she is, her very own crop cut. Now we have the cut. Now we can begin to save some money. Now let's get into the time. What does it take to create the look? So first you got to understand your unique fabric. She has Afro hair. Afro hair will take over any hairstyle regardless, the twist, the coils, the set, whatever. You've got to embrace what the fabric can do. So we began by teaching her, number one, do not put a lot of water on this texture of hair. Now remember, you have to do what works for your hair. And the instance of her Afro hair, excuse me, no water. Now she can rock her natural Afro, or there it is, excuse me, she can also play up her texture using a leave-in conditioner. Now, there are a lot of leave-in conditioners that you could use, but in this video, of course, I'm always promoting the Deca Plus Satin Tame or my Everyday Miracle Treatment simply because the pH in both products are very low, thus leaving the Afro hair nice and supple, and you can create texture like you can with water, except the hair will not become dry and brittle. I'm also teaching her to use the long tooth Wright comb, which can be found at myrevair.com, to do what? Comb through the hair to create more texture as the hair is styled while it is soaked and wet. So versus using water, please use a leave-in conditioner. I cannot reiterate this enough because using water will promote the buildup of the mineral deposits that's in the water. So you'll get mineral deposits onto the hair because minerals are in tap water and they stick to hair and it makes the hair feel brittle, crispy, crunchy, hard. And the front, we embellish some textures with some finger coils that she can break up and play up more texture. Now at night when she goes to sleep, it'll come back to the Afro, but she can restyle this using what? Her leave-in conditioner, thus saving her money and time at the hair salon and of course at home. And she absolutely loved this. She loved the cut. She liked the fact that it was simple and easy. She liked the fact that she could wear her Afro, or she could wet her hair using a leave-in conditioner. She could do rod sets, finger coil twists. She could do a lot of this, but because her length is shorter, she can now do this at home. Wouldn't you agree? beautiful, simple. My goal here is to help her do this right here. Save money. I don't want people wasting money or time in hair salons. That's just not feasible and it's not practical in this day and time for anybody. Being in charge of your hair at home is most certainly where it is at. We're back. Look who's looking good for free. I can't make no money off these people. I'm telling you. Okay, so here you go. So she was gonna pay me to do this little ride set, 2-strand twist. Girl, bye. She got this for free.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Right. Ain't nobody got time for that. The natural hair movement is very good. Definitely overdue, and it is needed. But wasting money and wasting time in the hair salon is not the best use of time or money for anybody, regardless the texture. I do feel professionally that people with Afro hair is just simply being ripped off, trying to convince people that they can get something that their hair cannot do. The goal is to teach everyone to embrace their unique fabric. No two heads of hair are alike. Terms like Afro hair, Afro hairstyles, Type A, Type C, 4B, 4C, these are nothing but terminologies to simply help navigate you through your purchasing experience. The terminology is not meant to be used as exact for each and every person. Hence, thus, this is the reason why I say no two heads of hair are alike. Take the time to get to learn and understand your hair with your stylist, or you can do this at home using videos such as this one to help you navigate the understanding of your hair at home. My job as a cosmetologist is to teach you how to do this at home, which is what this guest came to the salon for. She wanted to pay me for an expensive hairstyle, but at the end of the day, no. A haircut would suffice and some simple lessons. So don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you would like to buy the Wright hair care products, don't forget you can buy them on my website at globalhaircaremyshopify.com, or you can check out all of the Wright brands on my on my Amazon store. We also have extended Black Friday sales going on right now because Cyber Monday is coming up. So you can visit my Amazon store to get more deals on the Wright hair care products, as well as my children's book, Curly Hair Adventures, and my self-help book titled What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon, which is also kind of like the content here on my YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking for great nail care that is eco-friendly and free of toxic ingredients, you can check out the Wright Polish. Again, these products are available on my Amazon store, and we also have some wonderful deals on the Wright Polish. In all the videos, it's all the polish that I wear. So every color that you see on my nails, you can go and visit my Amazon store and select the color of your choice from my Prime collection. I think I got that down to a science. Okay, guys. Also, maybe you want to hear just a little bit more about textured hair. Then don't worry. Guess what? You got it. You can visit my, maybe not visit. Oh, okay, you can listen to my podcast, What They Don't Tell You at the Hair Salon. It is available on all of your podcasting platforms. Also, if you are interested in receiving your very own hair and scalp journal, all you have to do is email me at ladoshaw@yahoo.com. Again, that's ladoshaw@yahoo.com to receive your very own free PDF file of my hair and scalp journal. And then last but not least, if you're in the mood, the spirit for learning about textured hair, check out the Textures exhibit, The History and Art of Black Hair. It's featured at the Kent State University Museum, located in Kent, Ohio. If you want to see some goofy videos, check me out on TikTok at Ladosha Wright, or you can visit me on all the other social media platforms. Remember, you know what I say when I'm always signing out: a whole lot of peace, a whole lot of love, and most certainly a whole lot of hair. But check this out. If you ain't got no hair, don't want no hair, can't stand hair, but You still like watching hair porn? You know what I say, guys? Don't worry about it. Just rub your beautiful bald head. Why? Come on, say it with me. Because bald heads are most certainly beautiful too, and so are you. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and share.